What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Mazda 3 Smart Key remote fob. This Mazda 3 key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using is a small flathead screwdriver. So if we grab our key fob and we take a look at it, we see one side has a logo and one side does not. The side without the logo is the side we're going to remove first. So down here on the key ring, we see there's this little black button right here. Hold that button down, and then I'm going to slide this back cover up just a little bit. And it slides up just a little bit, and then it'll come off of there. Once we get that cover off of there, if we're calling the key ring the bottom, we're going to remove this top silver piece right here. And a lot of times you can just get your fingers on it like this and pull it off. If not, or if it's never been off of there before, you can use your flathead screwdriver just to help pry it off. Once you get that piece off, we're going to pry up on this back cover. So I'm going to take my screwdriver and just kind of get it under there. Work my way up. This is the emergency key. If that comes out, that's not a problem. So once we get this cover off of there, we see the battery cover then right here. I use my screwdriver just to get under the edge of it, pop that up. And now we can see our battery right here. Get it out of that holder, and we'll grab the new battery. We want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. Get it down in that holder like that. And then we can put the battery cover back on. Snap that into place. And then we'll get the side with the logo and put that on. And you can see this tab right here. You want to line it up with that hole right there. And then once that's all lined up, it snaps back on. And then if your emergency key has fallen out like mine did, go ahead and throw that back on there. And you can see that little rubber tab right there. It goes in the hole of the key. Like that. And then we can put this top piece back on. You just line up those two tabs on the top there. Snap that back on. And then lastly, we'll put our cover on. So this will just kind of sit on here. And then it slides down just a little bit into place and locks into place. Like that. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.